Good evening, folks. We are doing something a little different today. As you can see, I have a product unboxing to do, and we are also going to be trying it out. So in front of us here is the Comfee Juicer model MJ WJ S200 Oh, by the way, this video is sponsored by the Media Group. Thank you first of all to the Media Group for sending me this particular product. There's actually another product that they're going to be sending me, and I will be doing another unboxing when I get those that product that they are sending after I do this video for them. So let's get into this. I guess there's another box. I hope it's not that thing where the box just keeps getting smaller and smaller. Okay, there it is. The instruction manual. This is the main part of the unit. We are going to go through the manual and to identify all the parts so we can put this together, and then we can try out. I have a ton of fruit. I have a ton of oranges, so we're going to try this out tonight. Just checking the box. That's all there is in the box. So what's my initial impression? There seems to be a lot of parts to this particular machine, but it seems to, at first glance, first pass, the product looks like it's a good quality product. So I can't wait to try it out. But first, we're gonna go through the manual and figure everything out so we can get started on some fruit. So here's the manual. It's not very long. It's not very thick. The machine itself, once you put it together, it tells you right here. There seems to be just a sequential assembly steps. Okay, step number one. The first step is to push the seasoning valve at the bottom of the juicing cup. This is the juicing cup. This is the seasoning valve down here. All they tell you to do is to push it into the hard, they call it the hard fruits position. So from the bottom, you just push it forward. Step number two, install the juice cup, which is this particular part, onto the main unit. So this is the main unit. So there is there are some tabs, some guides that you can follow. All you need to do is place it. So this particular unit, so the cup doesn't move. So step number three is to install the filter. Actually, the filter was already installed in there. Just to show you the type of filter that they have, it's metal, or I'm assuming it's aluminum or stainless steel. Probably aluminum. But yeah, it looks like a very sturdy filter. So let's just put that back in there. There we go. Step number four is install the drive shaft into the middle of the filter and press down until it stops. So we have the drive shaft right here. This is the bottom part. And all you need to do is to place it until it stops. There it is, right there. So step number five is to install the juice cup lid. There is an arrow right here. It's an indicator of where you have to follow. And also on the juice cup lid, it's very helpful that there is a unlock and a lock indicator. So all you need to do is align the arrow with the unlock when trying to install it, like so. There you go. And then all you need to do is turn it clockwise, that way. All right, everyone, moment of truth. I got the machine all set up and just reading through the instructions for the first time. This is my first time juicing. I've never juiced anything before, so luckily we have a ton of oranges. So we have these. I believe there's Valencia oranges. I tasted them yesterday; they're pretty sweet. So let's juice them and see what happens. So the instruction says just put the washed large pieces of fruit in there and just push it down with the pusher over here. So first, oranges, according to the manual, are considered soft fruit. So I am going to adjust this particular knob, push it in. So let's put this here, turn it on to juice. There it is. That particular part of it looks like a drill. So let's put the fruit in here. And there's the juice, you can see it. It's pretty cool. So the juice comes out on this side, as you can see. I'm going to be adding some more, so let's turn on the juicer, let's throw the oranges. So everyone, this is the end product, right, of our orange juice. I went ahead and tasted it. The taste will depend upon the juice or the fruit that you are juicing. In this case, the oranges were sweet, so obviously the juice is sweet as well. So as you can see on this side, right, it collects the pulp for you. So you can either throw that away, or if you have a garden, I can suggest you use that as fertilizer. It'd probably make a good fertilizer. After the juicing process is finished and you're finished using the machine, you need to clean it up. Obviously, there are still, and I guess this is dependent on the fruit that you're using. As you can see over here, there are, because the orange is very pulpy. It's a very pulpy fruit. There's still a lot of pulp. I guess you can scoop all that out. You don't really have to if you're just interested in the juice. But yeah, as far as the machine in general, it works. As a juicer, I haven't tried. I will be trying out other fruits and probably vegetables like carrot. But as far as the juicer is concerned, it seems to work. So I would suggest you kind of plan it out, what you're trying to juice, and what types of fruits and or vegetables you're using. So guys, thank you for hanging out with me this evening as I reviewed the Comfee juicer. That was kind of just a first glance, first time use / demo of the product. It worked pretty well with the orange. I can't wait to try it with some other types of vegetables or fruit like apple. I love apple juice. I've also heard that carrot juice is also very good for you. So I'm going to give that a try as well. And also, this particular machine can make ice cream. So maybe we can, we make some ice cream sometime in the coming weeks. Let me read up on it and what the best way is, to use this machine to make ice cream, and I will definitely make a video and show you how it's done. So, in that regard, the machine itself is very versatile, and again, it's a juicer, so the cleanup comes with it, right? You can't really get away from that, and that's for me, that's fine. So thank you again for hanging out with me. I hope you like this product. I certainly do. I certainly recommend it for you juicers out there, for anyone that wants to be a little more healthier with the fruits. So you get your daily servings, so to speak. So thank you again. This is John. Peace. I'm out.